Community is a great word to describe BUSN.
You become part of a community.
We want to see all young people get a fair shot.
The BUSN community is dedicated to creating an inclusive environment that incorporates varied lived experiences and perspectives that enhance the work and learning environment and a valuable sense of belonging for individuals to thrive.
Vanderbilt School of Nursing is a fabulous program, innovative, forward-thinking, dedicated to birthing the next generation of nursing leaders.
Not only do they provide excellence in their academic programs, but they also expect excellence from their students.
From the moment I got to Vanderbilt University, it's been clear that they really do support each and every student, and they really want us to be successful, whatever that means for us specifically.
Anything that I need, anything that I can think about, the faculty have been so supportive, and they're so quick to take care of and just make sure that I have everything that is going to help me be successful.
Never have I seen another program where the faculty is so accessible and interested in student success. You can see their passion and experience it in the classroom firsthand.
I can go to classmates, I can go to professors and really feel like I have a place here who's supporting me throughout my nursing journey.
I think the nursing faculty here are really committed to making Vanderbilt a more diverse and welcoming place.
The faculty was incredibly passionate about both the field of nursing and their population that they treated, and so that passion to me was infectious, and I knew Vanderbilt was the place for me.
They really encourage their students to bring their perspective, to open their minds, and to learn about others and gain that experience that will help us develop as people and as professionals.
I knew that the nursing school would provide me with the motivational environment to learn the things that I need to learn to go back and help my own community.
BUSN provides an environment that dares you to strive for more. So that's more knowledge, that's more understanding of the patients, the students, and the communities in which we serve.
This healthcare system needs DNP nurse leaders, especially minorities, who are going to be able to go out there and fight the good fight for our patients and our communities.
What we want to see is a workforce, a nursing workforce that represents our patient population.
I think those things really lend itself to a greater innovation in the strategies to support these efforts and really pushing the envelope to acknowledge the greater society in which we live in and to be a reflection of that within our school.
I had a lot of experience working as an interpreter with nurse practitioners that came from this program. I was totally impressed with how capable and how sensitive they were to the patient's needs.
We are all nurses. We're all part of that profession. We all have the same direction, goals. We're just at a different stage in terms of our development and our careers.
Being around people who work at the height of their careers and their profession is so important in developing the future leaders of tomorrow.
Students often tell me that they feel equipped with this level of support from faculty, staff, as well as administration that sets them up for success.
They really do try to make it an inclusive environment, and if not, you definitely have the opportunity to speak out and put your own input in terms of inclusion.
You're really working towards the same mission and goals and objectives.
Administrators are genuinely interested in how to support student success in this environment and invite oftentimes that input in a variety of different ways to create an environment in which students can continue to be successful.
I didn't feel or experience any type of differences in how I was treated, what resources were provided, and the opportunities that were given to me because of the color of my skin.
The faculty are amazing.
The reason I chose Vanderbilt is because of the faculty. Even with their very impressive backgrounds, they're dedicated to the students.
It was a no-brainer for me to apply here, and I'm super proud to be here.
Everyone is invited to come experience the wonderful field of nursing.
Vanderbilt is extremely inclusive of everyone, and that includes the male students.
All of our male nursing students are amazing. They connect with the patients. They love the profession.
I want to be able to immerse myself with experiences that will be enriching and will carry me through the rest of my career.
They're here to prepare us to become medical professionals, and they do a really good job of that.
It's a success model that wants you to succeed.
It's a rigorous academic program that I knew would well prepare me for what I wanted to do in life.
You'll feel included when you come here.
Come join us, you will not regret it.